Hi guys, I'm Steve Brown coming at you from the world famous Alpine Beat Laboratory, and today we're going to show you our brand new budget-friendly BASSLINE subwoofers. Now the BASSLINE subs were born from a collaboration between Alpine and the popular hip-hop group Far East Movement. Now Far East Movement's music features fun, high-energy beats with deep bass undertones, and the group worked with Alpine's engineers to give input on the qualities that they wanted in the SWA subwoofers. They actually named the subwoofers BASSLINE to pay homage to the power and the infectious energy that bass brings to music. Now the BASSLINE subs come in two models. The SWA 12S4, that's the 12-inch single 4-ohm voice coil. That's the sub that you see here. We also make the SWA 10S4 10-inch single 4-ohm sub. Now each sub is capable of handling 250 watts RMS or 750 watts of peak power. Here are some of the features that make BASSLINE so powerful and reliable, and we're going to show you each one of these as we go through. First is the patent-pending progressive wavelet ribs. That's kind of hard to say, PWR, cone for maximum structural rigidity. So that makes the cone stiff and light, and that contributes to good low power efficiency. Okay? Polypropylene and mica damped cone assembly for great sounding low bass tones. A high strength steel frame that keeps the distortion low because it keeps everything where it's supposed to be in the woofer. A two-piece yoke with vented pole piece. That means that air moves over the voice coil, keeping the voice coil cool even at high output. And a high excursion polyfoam surround. That lets the cone move. The more the cone moves, the more bass that you get. And a progressive polyester spider. That gives you accurate control of the woofer cone during those high excursion events. On the back, you've got 8-gauge push terminals because you know you want to run nice, heavy gauge power wire into these subwoofers for a good installation. And brand new cosmetics, they feature the BASSLINE logo, which is printed in a nice matte silver, and then a raised Alpine logo on the rim trim ring of the woofer as well. And of course, 10 millimeters of X-Max. That means that they can move enough air to move your hair. Now BASSLINE subs were designed to work in both sealed and ported enclosures, giving you maximum installation flexibility. So for a compact installation, a small 3/4 cubic foot box is all the 10-inch BASSLINE needs, and the 12-inch needs about 1 cubic foot. But if you really want to get the most out of BASSLINE, go for a ported enclosure. You want 1.5 cubic feet tuned to 40 hertz for the 10 and 1.9 cubic feet tuned to 37 hertz for the 12. Now since Far East Movement helped create BASSLINE, the group is going to actively promote these great woofers throughout the year. The first thing you're going to see is a set of viral videos focused on the group's custom and very cool 1984 Cadillac limo, because how cool is an 80s Cadillac limo? So stay tuned for those. Now you can see Far East Movement chilling with the limo when you open the BASSLINE carton box. It's right here on the lid. That about wraps up our BASSLINE subwoofer introduction, so don't forget to check out www.alpine-usa.com, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.
Driving mobile media solutions. Alpine.